Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lunia and I do natural hair videos, natural hair tutorials, hair care and locks. And so today I am installing some big jumbo twist, and I started by washing my hair with clarifying shampoo, and I did deep condition my hair with the Carol's Daughter repairing mask. And before I installed the weave, I did soak it in water with apple cider vinegar overnight because I have sensitive scalp, and that helps me with getting itchy, right? So I did blow dry my hair so it will be easier for me to part. I did the best I could because my hair is so short. I don't have much control right now, right? And I am moisturizing the rubber bands with my old mixture before I put it in my hair. And I did part very big parts. I did not really care about like my parting because this is just a protective hairstyle. I will be leaving for a month. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. And I am using crochet to pull the hair through so it can give me more grip. It can like hold onto my short hair better. And I love the color, you guys. Look at it. My favorite color is pink. That's really the reason why I got it. And I am twisting very light. I'm not putting pressure on the way I'm twisting, so the twist can be fluffy, because that's the look I want. And I also curl the ends, and this is the final look. Voila, beautiful, beautiful pink, beautiful, beautiful brown girl. But I love it so much. Look at it, guys. Like, I will be leaving it in for a month. I hope you guys like it and try it for this summer or the fall. Thank you guys for watching. I will be bringing back more tutorials with my short hair. And if you love natural hair videos and hair care, subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah.